know how it was like not. Didn't feel worse than that, but it really didn't feel that bad. I guess just extremely loose is the right spec for it.
A little side to side comparison.
Oh yeah.
I mean, look how sick that looks.
That Clark oil's a little grody.
So now as you turn the preload adjuster, instead of pushing on that stock spacer, you have a selectable length. So if you put it way up here to where the cap just drops right on the fork, then you have from no preload to 2 inches of preload. Or you can, without having to cut yourself a new piece of PVC and spacing material, you can drop the clip rod to length and or different length forks, so it adjusts to different length preload spacer as well. So it acts as an adjustable preload spacer.
That oil looks a little bit better.
A little bit, huh?